Okay, here's a video. This is a 2018 Ford F-150. This is a video on how to refill the windshield washer fluid and where the reservoir is located. This might be pretty simple. Some might know this. This might be new information, so hopefully this is helpful. So if you look here, I got the hood popped open. If you look, one thing I like to remember when you're popping the hood, you release it underneath the dash where your feet are. Right above the D, you go straight up and you pull this lever when you're trying to release the hood. Release the hood, lift the hood up, hood's up. This is how you get under the hood. This reservoir right here is where you put the windshield washer fluid. So if I open that up and I look down in there, it's not all the way full to the top where it needs to be. There is a maximum fill level line on the side here. I want to fill that up too. This is good if you just put water in there and you drive through or live in a climate where it gets below freezing. This fluid can freeze in here and you won't be able to wash off your windshield. In the winter especially, it's helpful when you're spraying off road debris, salt spray from the road, etc. So I live in a cold climate, so you want to make sure that the fluid you get is rated for below freezing protection. This stuff's cheap. It's like $1.50 at Walmart. Any auto parts store, any convenience store carries this stuff, but keep a couple jugs on hand. And after I just did an oil change on this, check out that video, but this is how you refill that. So you simply just, take the lid off and you simply pour into this hole right here. I'm going to do this while I'm recording so you can. Hold quite a bit. It's got a pretty big capacity. Okay, there you go. Okay, you got your fluid back up there. It's right at the line here. Actually, you can fill this all the way up. It doesn't really matter. But it's always good to check that so that you're always prepared and you have that when you need to. Most vehicles have it marked with this symbol. This is supposed to be the windshield and like a spray symbol on there, so you kind of know that's where you refill the fluid. So hopefully that helps. Like, subscribe, leave a positive comment. Thank you.